Hi guys, this is another combination kind of padlock which can be easily manipulated if you know how. However, there is another easy method if you don't know how to do the combination manipulation. Okay, instead of let's say you lost the combination, or you forgot the combination, or you just found this padlock and you don't know the combination and you want to know the combination so that you can use it uh, for your own purpose. Okay, this kind of combination padlock, it can be reset by trying to let the shackle align. You see that on this another slot here. See, that is, there is a square slot on this side, and normal position the padlock is like this. If you want to reset it, you just turn the padlock there, the shackle there, and press it hard, and then you can reset the combination by aligning to this number here. Right now the number is 8720, so we will reset it, and we will find the new combination by using uh, a shim which has been cut off from a Pepsi can. Alright, I will show you how to make this simple tools here, right, and what is uses. Okay, so right now we will change the combination. So we depress it hard, okay, then turn the combination. Okay, alright, now we don't know the combination right now, right? So we will lock this padlock. Okay, lock it, and then turn the wheels to lock this padlock. Now, no, it's a known combination now. Alright, so the next step you will do is on this side slot here, you will use a shim like this and insert it in the bottom edge one by one, and you can feel as you turn the wheels there is again a deeper portion on this side here, and when you notice that this goes further deeper, then that's the uh, probable slot for this combination. Alright, so I'll first show you how to make this shim. You cut it from the any kind of Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, or Sprite, or whatever. uh, Cut it with a scissor at least 3/16, and then make a handle by bending this with a long nose like this, and bend it. Okay, after you bend it, then bend it some more so that it will be firm. Right, now it's firm there. Now that is strong, that is double. Okay, now this is the flexible side. Now you have to cut it with a scissor to make let's say just 45 degrees probably. Right, now that is too sharp, right? Just make it cut it a little. Okay, so what it remains is like this, right? So now, okay, so now this is how it looks like. Now, what you should do to disclose the combination is trying to put this shim on this side. This is the slot side. Okay, so you put that on this slot here, and then turn the combination. You will feel there is a deeper portion on this which this shim stick onto. Okay. Oh, by the way, this shackle is closed, right? That's closed. We don't know the combination because we had changed it. Okay, I feel there is a slot on this side, right? On this side. So this is between 5 and 6, right? So I'll go to the next one. Again, this is a deeper portion between 4 and 5. The third one. Okay, here is another one. This is between 0 and 1. The last one. Okay, this is between 6 and 7. Okay, now let's say that is now aligned. The which we found out has a deeper side on the side. Now we try to open it. No way. Alright, so now we will move this combination. Okay, we'll align that 1067. Yeah, we'll align. Now we will try to move this 4 combination all together. Okay, so and we will try to align it from here. So okay, so the first it's 739. Okay, we move it. $9840 doesn't open. $0951 does not open. $1062 does not open. 2173 does not open. 3284, it's open. So that is the combination. By you can determine it by shimming from this side on this slot here. This kind of combination padlock is I didn't see, there is no, I didn't find any markings on it, but it's quite okay for some small things like let's say your toolbox, which is not things that are not that need not to be really secured, so you can install this kind of padlock, and it's easy because you don't have to bring the key, and you can just and it's easy also to change the combination by doing this shackle and depressing it and turn the wheels, and then after you turn the wheels, depressing it hard, turn the wheels, and then read the number from this side here. There is a marking, an arrow here. Then that is the combination of that. When you turn it like this, then that is the combination. You reshuffle the numbers, then that's it. It's locked. Alright folks, so thanks for watching and good day.